So, welcome back to Cooking with Curtis, and right now we're going to be working on some chili powder. Now, this chili powder consists of 4 Ancho chilies, 2 New Mexico chilies, 2 tablespoons of whole cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried Mexican oregano, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some scissors, we're going to cut the tops of these chili pods off, and see if you shake it up you can hear it's full of seeds. Seeds are like hot, they're the hot part of these things. These Ancho chilies in particular, they smell like raisins. They smell exactly like a big old raisin. But yes, so we're going to cut the tops of these off, gut all the seeds out, and then cut them up in small pieces. And I will be back as soon as I'm done with that. So as you can see here, I chopped the tops of these chili pods off. I cut a slit down the side, and I went ahead and got rid of most of the seeds. And look at this. It's really gooey. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells really good. It smells like big old raisin. It might not make a whole lot of sense, but that's what Ancho chilies smell like. Big raisins. They're not really that hot, especially if you get rid of the seeds. Okay, so I'm going to take this pile of chilies and I'm going to cut it up into small pieces. I'm also going to turn my stove over here on so I can start dry roasting all my herbs. Okay, and as you can see, I took that pile of chilies there and I turned it into another pile of chilies with the smaller pieces. I'm going to go ahead and put this cumin in the pan first. Followed by the chilies. And we're going to let that cook until I can smell that the cumin is toasted. Okay, and once you can start to smell the cumin seeds start to roasting, go ahead and crush up some Mexican oregano on top of that. Give it a quick stir. Pull it off the heat. As it smells like and looks like it is done. And I know you can't smell what it smells like. It smells really, really heavy on the cumin side. And it's a dang shame that you can't smell what that smells like. But I can. And so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the coffee grinder really quick. And add it to the rest of the ingredients. Alright, now once you're done grinding this up in the coffee grinder, you're going to want to leave that sitting there for at least 30 seconds, because if you just open it up, there's going to be a fine mist of chili powder floating in the air and it could burn your eyes. Let's see here. And that is what it looks like. get that on the plate here. So, yep, you unfortunately cannot smell this awesome chili powder. If you were able to, you would probably not go about using store-bought chili powder. Store-bought chili powder is old and stale, and it's crap. As you can see here, this didn't take that long to make. It wasn't that many ingredients. It was all pretty cheap. So this right here in particular is going to go on a pork shoulder that I am going to be using for Cubano sandwiches. So this is all stuff that you're going to want to do the night before if you're going to be making those, if you want it to taste good. If you don't want it to taste good, I guess you don't have to do it the night before. You can be lazy and just not. But if you want to, you can do things the night before to make your food taste a whole lot better. So that's it for the chili powder here. This will stay good for I don't know how long, because I always end up using it really fast. So if you're interested in seeing how long that stuff will last, I mean, it's a bunch of chilies. It'll probably last for a long time. At worst, it'll go stale like the crap that they sell in the store. So there you go. Like and subscribe and share, and watch for my next video. I'm going to be making these Cubano sandwiches. It's going to be Dank